Daily fantasy sports is honestly starting to become just as popular as regular old sports betting. One of the reasons why, it's legal in a lot of states that doesn't have legal sports betting. DFS legally is operated and treated differently than sports betting. So there are certain states that don't have legal sports betting that do allow DFS. We're talking like massive states like California and Texas. Previously, we had FanDuel and DraftKings, but now we are seeing new operators start to hit the market like a PrizePicks, like an Underdog Fantasy. So in this video, I am going to detail exactly where DFS is legal in all 50 states. I'm going to use 4 main operators and tell you where they are legal: FanDuel, DraftKings, Underdog, and PrizePicks. Now, right off the bat, I will say there are 5 states that doesn't have any of the 4 legal. So if you live in any of these 5 states, I apologize. Those 5 are Washington, Hawaii, Montana, Nevada, and Idaho. Unfortunately, do not allow any type of DFS operator. From there are a couple different categories that I'm going to categorize all of these different states in. But starting off, aside from the 5 that don't have any of the 4, but first I'm going to list out the states that allow all 4 of these main operators. So to confirm, if you live in one of these states, you can use all 4 of FanDuel, DraftKings, Underdog, and PrizePicks. And here they are. We're looking at Alaska, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Kansas, Kentucky, Minnesota, Nebraska, New Mexico, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, DC, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So technically with DC included, they're going to be 51 total. But those are the 25 states that allow all 4 of those operators. Now from there are 17 states that allow 3 of the 4. What I will say is that 15 of the 17, the one that they do not allow is PrizePicks. So I'll rattle off those 15, but there are 2 outliers that allow 3 of the 4. Michigan allows 3 of the 4, but it does not allow Underdog. So in Michigan, you cannot use Underdog, but you can use PrizePicks, FanDuel, and DraftKings. And then there's Oregon that allows all 4, but doesn't allow DraftKings. So in Oregon, you can use FanDuel, PrizePicks, and Underdog. But the rest of these 15 states, you can use FanDuel, DraftKings, and Underdog, but you cannot use PrizePicks. And they are Alabama, Arizona, Indiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Mississippi, Missouri, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, and West Virginia. If you live in any of those 15 states, you cannot use PrizePicks, but you can use the other 3 in DraftKings, FanDuel, and Underdog. So what's left? I have named 47 states, including DC. So there are 4 left. So what's left? There is 1 state, Connecticut, that only allows DraftKings. So if you live in Connecticut, you can use DraftKings, but you can't use FanDuel, PrizePicks, or Underdog. And then the remaining 3 only allow you to use DraftKings and FanDuel. So you cannot use Underdog and PrizePicks. And those 3 states are Delaware, Iowa, and Louisiana. And that takes us to all 51. So 4 main categories: allows all 4, allows 3 of 4, allows 1 or 2, and then the 5 states that don't allow any. So there is going to be an article with this written up as well if you want to see it written out for you if you missed your state and don't feel like listening to the rest of it. But hopefully you found this video helpful. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit me up at my Twitter handle you see on the screen here, Jedi Modi. Thank you, and have a good one.